3. Okay? Same thing for D. We had to subtract 2 on both sides.
Okay.
Now for H, I have y over 10 equals A. Right. We want to get rid of the 10. Since it's being divided by 10, we multiply by 10.
And then you multiply.
Right. So I multiply this by 10 and this by 10. The 10's cancel, so you get y equals 10A. That's H. Look at 9. Let's do not. Okay. I have bx plus b squared equals 5b squared minus 3bx. Okay.
Causing a disturbance for the class.
Can I read them out, please?
Okay, what are we going to do first?
Subtract.
Okay.
Oh.
Get the x's and b's on
Can you do
one
this?
side.
Can you combine the bx?
The bx is what?
3bx plus bx.
You can, yeah, because they're both bx's. So how do we bring them over to one side? What do you want to bring over?
You add 3x.
Good. I want to add 3bx to both sides. That's fine. You can do that as well. There's different ways you can do this. Yes, you get the same answer in the end. But you could do that way. Your work's a little bit different than mine.